Here is how to get the Blood Elf mount in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. So I'm talking about this mount is the blue Hawkstrider. I mean the color, you can choose it. You have many colors to choose from. And this is the level 20, which is very slow, but is much faster than walking. And this is the level 40. This one you can get once you reach level 40. And I will show you right now the location on the map. We are very close to it. We are right now in the front of Silvermoon. So to get this mount, you'll need some gold, because I believe the cost of the trading is 3 gold and 60 silver. And also you will have to buy this mount, which costs like 90 silver. And also the level 40 training is much expensive. Alright, so you have to get to this location. You'll find right here a Blood Elf, which will sell you these Hawkstriders. As I told you, the cost for the level 20 Hawkstrider is 20 gold, and the level 40 Hawkstrider is 9 gold each. You can choose any color, and if you go inside right here and you speak with this guy, he will teach you the training itself. It costs 3 gold and 60 silvers for the level 20, and for the level 40 it costs 45 gold. Now, as I told you, I will show you the location on the map right now. We are located in front of Silvermoon, in the right side, right here at this column. Alright, so we can see the Silvermoon entrance from here. One more thing to mention before we end this video: if you are a Blood Elf, you can buy it right away. But if you are a different race, let's say, and as an example, an Orc, a Tauren, a Troll, or whatever, then you can't purchase it right away. If you press U as an umbrella, and right here at the reputation tab, you'll find Silvermoon City. If you are a different race other than a Blood Elf, you will have to get this reputation up to Exalted, and only after you are Exalted with Blood Elves, you will be able to buy their mount from there, alright? And to get a reputation up to Exalted, you will have to come right here at the low levels and do quests, because the quests will also gain you honor points. But this condition applies to you only if you are not a Blood Elf. So that being said, this is how to get the Blood Elf mount, the Hawkstrider mount in WoW WoTLK, in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King.